Your bootable USB not working? You did everything right, but it still won't boot? Yeah, this is the mistake almost everyone makes. Most tutorials just say, download the ISO, use Rufus, and done. But here's the problem. They don't tell you about the one setting that actually decides if your USB will boot or fail. And today I'll show you the real fix. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Okay, first step, go to Google, search for Windows 11 ISO, and download it from the official website. Then download Rufus. Download links are in description, but after installation. Plug in your USB, open Rufus, select your ISO file. Everything looks normal, right? But wait, this is where most people mess up. Partition scheme. If your PC is newer, UEFI system, choose GPT. If your PC is older, legacy BIOS, choose MBR. And don't guess this. If you choose wrong, your USB will not boot. And if you don't know which one to choose, don't worry, I'll show you. Press Windows plus R, type diskmanagement.msc, hit enter. Now disk management will open. Find your main disk, usually disk 0, right-click on it. Click Properties. Go to the Volumes tab and check here. If it says GPT, choose GPT and Rufus. If it says MBR, choose MBR. That's it. Now you know exactly what to select. Now go back to Rufus. Click Start. Wait for it to finish. Now restart your PC. Open the boot menu. Select your USB and boom, it works. If your USB still doesn't show up, go into BIOS, enable USB boot, and sometimes disable secure boot. So yeah, if your bootable USB wasn't working, this was probably the reason. If this helped, you don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.